Hey everybody, Katie here. Happy Monday. My wish for you this week is that you have everything you desire, you have an incredibly productive week, and you feel like you are running on all cylinders Monday through Friday and beyond. So that is my wish for you this week. I wanted to come on and talk about my workshop next week. I am so excited. So it is a 2-hour workshop on March 30th from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern. This is going to be in Zoom and it will be recorded if you can't come live. So don't worry about it if you aren't able to come for the actual live class. You do miss the chance to interact with me live in that moment, but you still have access to the recording. And so you still have access to all the goodness that we're going to be doing. So this workshop, again, is about raising awareness. And why does awareness matter? Well, unless you're aware of something, you can't change it. And what I'm talking about, these aren't conscious things that are going on. These are these subconscious patterns that are beneath the surface where you can't see them. And we're going to bring them up to where you can see them. So now you can do something with it. These are the type of patterns that can keep you small, can keep you stuck, can keep you in pain, can keep you from being your full true self that you want to be. So we're going to be doing a little bit of journaling, and we are going to be doing a Cognomovement session, a mini session. So you'll get a chance to play with that. If you've never done one before, now is your chance. That is part of the workshop. And we're going to be using some Cognomovement techniques to help raise the awareness while we're in the journaling and the discussion part of the workshop. So the first hour or so, we are going to be journaling and really diving into the 4 areas of impact to help you understand how you can continue to use that after the workshop for your own benefit. And then we're going to go right into a Cognomovement session to help with whatever is going on. So I already have an idea of what I'm going to do for the session, but I'm going to wait until class because if something more powerful for you guys becomes available, I absolutely want to do that instead and help serve you the best that I can. So we're going to be looking and finding these things that are under the limit. So I'm kind of using my ball here to represent. So these patterns are going beneath the surface where we can't see them and we're not aware. So we're going to be bringing them up into our awareness where now we can do something with it. So we're going to pluck those bad boys out. We're going to shift perspective and we're going to help you move forward so that you're unstuck. So I hope you're going to join me. Again, the details are 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern on March 30th in Zoom. Yes, there will be a recording. The workshop is only $97, which is an amazing value for everything that you're going to be getting. And you're going to be getting a copy of my workbook with it as soon as you grab a ticket. That will be emailed directly to you. So please watch for that as well. I hope I'm going to see you then so that you can rise above the pain. Until then, have an awesome week, and I'll see you guys again next week.